Chick jumped like a runaway train. Cluck, cluck, said Mom Hen, you're growing up fast. Now sip some water, it'll go away at last. I drank one glass, then two and three, but hic, 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 still happening to me. Hic, 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 oh what a ride. They bounce in my belly, I just can't hide. Hic, 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 all through the day, even while running in the hay. Off to the barn, school chick walked in. Hic, 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 with a hiccup-eyed grin. Cluck, cluck, said Teacher Hen with flair. Drink some water and don't despair. So I sipped a bit, held my beak, but hic, 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 I gave a squeak. Teacher Hen, I said with a peep, these hiccups will let me sleep. She fluffed her feathers and gave a smile and clucked her wisdom down the aisle. Dear chick, it's normal, don't be blue. It happens when your diaphragm goes boo. It's the muscle that helps you breathe each day. Sometimes it just likes to play. Hic, 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 it's not so bad. You're growing strong, be happy, not sad. Drink some water, take a nap, and soon no more hiccups, just a nap, nap, nap.
Thanks for joining the fun on Joyful Pathways. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the smiles, and hit that subscribe button for more magical adventures. Bye-bye.